Hello guys, and alongside Jane told me that I can play Minecraft, and I saw this. Oh, that one's funny. Is that one money? I can play Minecraft, and I found this map. Oh, village. Who's this? And I could play it. So yeah, I thought playing it. Wait, what was hard? I wonder. Oh, okay. So I guess those hearts tell us when we're gonna die, right? Okay. So half a heart is very bad. You died. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So don't mess with that. No. Yeah. Make sure the heart don't die until all that. And what the hell on me anyways? Want the carpets? Wait. Maybe what we're supposed to do is to technically just get these carpets to what's burning? And what if they throw the meat and I'm steak? Run flush, what's it called? Something like that. Run flush. Like that, guys. Okay. Something like that. It'll probably. Hold on, I think. Oh. That thing I think is gonna hurt me. Oh, see? Okay, I don't think she's going to. Ow! What are you guys? I'm like Quicksilver. I'm totally like Quicksilver. Silver. Or the Flash. I don't know. Who I look like? Either Quicksilver or Flash. I don't know. I'm like either one of those. Either one of those. I look like either one. There's a vehicle. There's a vehicle down here. Is there even any vehicle? Okay. Wait, what's the settings? What's career mode? Whoa! Wait. Please stop chasing me. Please seriously stop chasing me. How weird that? Okay, chickens. Okay, chicken. Is that even chicken or what is that? I don't know any of this. What is all this? I'm sorry I missed it. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the best, you know. Oh, look, this zombie. He's not a king, dude. I don't know. What? Yeah, what is that? What's this? Oh! I just got two. Okay. You can. Wait, how did I just. Oh no! Oh, wait. Do you want to collect the food? It's the food enemy, that's how to collect it. Or is that. No. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's a. What is that? What's a bear thing? I don't know. What is that? What is this thing? Where is this? I don't know. Okay, that's this. That sounds like a witch. Arrows? I don't need arrows. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, wait now. How this here? Okay. Jen told me that was actually. I mean, what's it called again? Store. Where is it? Dude, it's hard to see. Maybe this one. No! It's hard to see. Where am I? What's that? What's that thing, guys? What's that thing? Oh, it's like a monster. A monster. monsters in here? Like there are skeletons. So what are they? Are monsters? How did I just not do that? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Hey, I don't have anything. I'm sorry. Is this the 900? That seems quite expensive. I'm at 500 for the. What's this? I don't know what it seems to be. 500. Dude, you're gonna have 2 or something? Wait, what's in it? Can get in this? Nothing. Okay. Oh, you cannot. Okay. Perfect. White carpet. Okay. I don't get how this works. But okay. Can you trade me or something? Okay, you cannot. Feathers. Oh no. What can I do? Feathers. I don't want to kill chickens. That just sounds horrible. Or can I kill chickens and get that? I don't know. Let's just type it, I guess. Hey, at least typing it's better than being it from chicken. Although I think when you type it, technically just you can go. I don't know. So yeah, come. Okay, we'll see. Dude, a feather's even gonna be in here, or can we? How about erase it and see what is it? Is it here? Dude, is it here? Okay. No. No. It's probably somewhere though. Is it here? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe it does not. Maybe we just check for F. It should be there somewhere. Feathers. Oh, finally. Feathers. Okay. Can you trade me for that? Yes. Money. More feathers. Dude, guys, I don't know. Okay, here's more feathers for sale. Yeah, so we can get more money. Ask someone to paint it and give it to you and you can get wool and okay, wool is not here. Okay, maybe ask art of wool maybe. Let's try that. Gray wool. Where is it? Gray wool. Here is. We'll get like tons of it. Because that's like bigger than 13, and 13 means that's immediately losing? I don't know, man. I don't know all these things. I don't know. Maybe just give him all this, and maybe he's just gonna pay it back good. Okay, we get some okay money. We get some really okay money. don't need it. Thank you for the money though. Can I get paid from that? Look at it! Cut the seed, pull off. Now what is this for? Yeah, okay, that. I don't know if you can see. Oh, the rat. Oh, no. Careful now. Hey, rat. Okay, okay. Oh! Here I go. I'm like jealous now. What? Here. Jane told me that I should help with feeding take care of bees. So yeah. I guess I'll take care of the bees. Oh, there's blue. I like how there one is blue. Okay. No. Cannot kill him. Okay, but I just okay. The bees. Okay. That sounds fun, you know the bees. Oh, look at that. And the beehive keep or something like that. What's it called again? Yeah, that's one. What are you doing? What is this do? Okay, I don't know. Can I go into one? This is technically their goal, so I think it's hard. Ouch. Okay, so probably. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Ouch of the hay. Bull. Okay, we cannot hide in the hay. What can we do? What can we do? Oh! The dog! Ow! What? I think. Oh. Dude! There? I died? No, that's like the worst. It's so far. It's so far. Dude. Can I make it there in time? Dude, can I make it there right in time? Dude, a witch just appeared.